Hello everyone, so let's set up your Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE step by step. So follow these instructions, locate your power button, it's right here on the top. So simply press on it to activate the screen. Now tap on start. Now we have to choose the language. So choose the language which is gonna be the most suitable for you. I'll choose English. Let's keep on. Now we're to choose our region. Alright, press next. Now you're to go through user agreement and privacy policy. If you're agreed with anything, tap on this check mark and press keep on. Alright, now we will be prompted to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So simply choose a Wi-Fi network which you know password to, right? And enter it. Also, you can tap on make it visible. This is this eye icon, which makes the whole process easier. All right, now you gotta press connect. And we're connected. Now let's press keep on. Press on the star. Now your tablet is getting ready. It may take a few minutes. All right, after that, you will be prompted whether to copy apps and data or not. So I'll press done copy. Alright, now you will be prompted to enter into your Google, so you can always skip this step. However, I recommend you to sign into your Google account, because if you will do it here, you won't later with your usage, you won't have to sign in into each application separately. You can just do it once here and it's gonna be faster. So let's do this. Alright, now press next. Now you have to enter your password, of course. Great, now you have to go through and to agree or to disagree to Google Terms of Services, which is totally fine, so press agree. Now your Google is getting your account info. Alright, press OK. So here is a lot of information about backup and device data. This basically some Google services which you can choose whether to accept them or turn them off. You can always do this by pressing the switch. However, I will accept them by now. Alright, so now you're prompted to choose the search engine. I'll choose Google. You can choose anything you like. Simply tap on the mark near it and press next. Now you will be prompted to set a screen lock. You can always set it up, however, I'll press skip for now. And we're almost set up, so let's press continue. And we will go through some Google services. Let's skip a voice assistant. Let's skip voice assistant once again. Let's skip a Google Pay, and basically that's it. When you're done with everything, press no thanks. Your tablet is getting ready, give it a few minutes. Right, so explaining you how to use the gestures, how to open your recent, how to go back. Easy tutorial, here are some basic settings, go through them, accept or not accept them, of course. Keep on, and just a second and your new tablet is set up. Now let's swipe up. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.